start with part 1.2 of chapter 1, rational irrational numbers, okay, which is the first part, which is the first chapter in your first part. Okay, so in part 1.1 we saw the various set of numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. We also saw rational number but not in detail. Then we did comparison of natural numbers, we did comparison of whole numbers and comparison of integers. So as I explained, we will be doing level wise, so as to be able to solve a practice set. So this is your preparation to solve practice set 1.2. So जैसे मैंने बोला पहले लेवल पे हम लोगों ने सिर्फ नेचुरल नंबर्स कंपेयर किया जो हम लोगों को आना चाहिए, जो हम बचपन से कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड इज होल नंबर किया हम लोगों ने, होल नंबर को कंपेयर किया वेर वी हैव जीरो ऑल्सो, एंड देन वी फाइनली अंडरस्टूड कंपैरिजन ऑफ इंटीजर्स इन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मैनर, वो एलिवेटर के मैनर में किया. ठीक है, तो प्लीज गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो, इट इज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. देन ओनली विल यू ऑल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस पार्ट. ओके, so let us first see rational numbers. So you can see examples over here: minus 25 upon 3, 10 upon minus 7, minus 4, 0, 3, 8, 32 upon 3, 67 upon 5 and etc. So इधर आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा तो most of the numbers are numerator upon denominator. Numerator upon denominator का मतलब होता है where something is there is something on top and there is something on bottom. There is one number is being divided by the other. Above number is called as numerator, below number is called as the denominator. ठीक है, so minus 25 and 3, minus 25 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. So now let's see the textbook definition. ठीक है, you can see one more common thing between them कि the denominators are minus 3, 7, minus 3, minus 3, 3, minus 7, 3 and 5. तो सारे डिनोमिनेटर जीरो तो नहीं है, सब एक नंबर है. ठीक है, सो हियर द डेफिनेशन, लेट्स रीड. द नंबर्स ऑफ द फॉर्म m upon n are called as rational numbers. Here m and n are integers, means m and n are integers. जो m है न्यूमरेटर्स है वो भी इंटीजर्स है, m भी है, they belong to integers, means they can be positive, zero and negative numbers. But one condition is then that's what defines rational numbers in a more conform manner, that is n is not zero. मतलब डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर आप -4 का भी एग्जांपल लो तो -4 upon 0 and -4 is one in the same thing. Okay, so now let's start with a few examples and then we move on to the practice set 1.2. Okay, so first we will do examples, that is we'll compare rational numbers with same denominator, मतलब जिनका denominator same हो. Let's compare. So let me start with the first one. Okay, so the first one over here is, first example is, first one is, say take any number, 75 upon 3 and 57 upon 3. Since denominator is the same, since your denominator is the same, then the greater numerator becomes your greater number. This you have already learned in other classes. So in this case 75 upon 3 will be greater than 57 upon 3. Let me take another example. ठीक है, let's see 33 upon 5 and say 40 minus 47 upon 5. Now we are comparing a positive and a negative. Okay, rational number. So let me see the answer. 33 upon 5 box minus 47 upon 5. Since denominators are same, we ignore them and then we'll only compare the numerator. तो इसमें क्या हो जाता है, नेगेटिव नंबर है और 33 पॉजिटिव नंबर है. So obviously positive number is greater than a negative number. Let's see one more example. Third example. The third example is we are going to compare two negative numbers. Okay, लेट्स सी, -17/8 and -99/8. Okay, so let's solve this. -17/8 box -99/8. एज आई सेड, अगर आप 17th फ्लोर पे हो, -17th फ्लोर पे हो मतलब बेसमेंट में, और अगर आपको -99 पे जाना है मतलब -99 नीचे आता है, तो आपका लिफ्ट नीचे मूव होगा. ओके, सो योर -17 इज ग्रेटर देन -99. So -17/8 is greater than -99/8. So this is for comparison of two negative rational numbers, but with the same denominator. इधर भी आपने देखा -8 और 8 डिनोमिनेटर है. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, so that you can directly compare. ठीक है. Now let's see two more examples we'll take. Okay, so the two other examples are, okay, 0 and 97/111. Okay, so let's compare. 0 box 97/111. Any positive number is greater than 0. Okay, that is a rule that we've studied. Okay, fifth one is -34/11 and 0. So let's see over here, -34/11 and 0. इसमें तो we already know नेगेटिव नंबर हमेशा 0 से लेस होता है. So if you do part 1.1 thoroughly ना, तो आपको इसमें बिल्कुल भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए पार्ट 1.1 आपका बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स गो ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ठीक है, नाउ दिस वाज कंपैरिजन of rational numbers with same denominator. Now we will move on to comparison of rational numbers with different denominator. Now when the denominators are different, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Okay, what do we do? Let me take a very easy example first. These are some that are given in your textbook. Okay, so first one, we have to compare 5/4 and 2/3. So these are the numbers that you have to compare. तो अभी करेंगे क्या? Denominator is different, numerator तो obviously has to be different, नहीं तो आप compare कैसे करोगे? तो denominators are different. So in order to get that, how will we do? तो इनका फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है, the first step for these types is कि इनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना होता है. डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए हम लोगों ने न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो हाउ विल वी डू दैट? ओके आंसर. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग स्टेप 1 स्टेप 2, ये आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, सो स्टेप 1 इज 5/4 विल बी इक्वल टू, अभी इसका जो डिनोमिनेटर है 3, ये आपके न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और डिनोमिनेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा. एक रैंडम नंबर नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि 4 और 3 को इक्वल करना है, तो 3 को 4 से और 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है, ओके. इसके लिए एक और रूल होता है, वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगी. अभी हम लोग सिंपल वे से करते हैं. ठीक है, इधर एलसीएम लिया जाता है, बट फॉर नाउ हम लोग डायरेक्टली क्रॉस, मतलब हम लोग ट्रिक से करेंगे. ओके, यू मल्टीप्लाई 3 बाय द न्यूमरेटर and the numerator and the denominator. Okay, ये आपने देखा कि हम लोगों ने 3 को न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई किया बिकॉज आवर एम इज कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाए. ठीक है, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. ओके, तो आपका 5/4 हो जाता है 15/12. ओके, सेकेंड स्टेप इज convert the other one also, 2/3. As I said, 3 will be multiplied 4 ऊपर नीचे, 4 will be multiplied ऊपर नीचे. 3 will be multiplied by numerator, denominator. 4 will be multiplied by numerator, denominator. So similarly, 2/3 ये आपका फ्रैक्शन है, multiply 4 multiply by 4. So let's see. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So we compare. अभी कंपेयर करो 15/12 is third step compared to 8/12. So which is greater? अभी denominator is the same. So greater numerator, greater fraction or greater rational number. So 15/12 is greater than 8/12. That is originally job 15/12 nothing but 5/4 is greater than 8/12 is greater than 2/3. And this is your answer. Okay, so this is your answer. Let's go on to another example. I hope you are understanding. तो वो थोड़ा 2-3 examples लेंगे and then we move on to a practice set. ठीक है? Next example for you all. Okay? -7/9 and 4/5. So, as I said, I'm just going to repeat what I did. Okay, so you'll understand. First step, -7/9. As I told you, -7/9. 5 will be multiplied by numerator and denominator. Let me do it in a different color for this sum also so that you'll understand. Okay, 7 5s are 35, that is, but minus sign is there. Minus plus minus, minus 35 multiplication rule. 9 5s are 45. प्लीज कैंसिल मत करते बैठे तो, क्योंकि हम लोगों को सिर्फ कंपेयर करना है, रिड्यूस नहीं करना है. ये आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकेंड स्टेप इज 4/5. यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट. सो 4/5, 9 will be multiplied by the numerator and the denominator. So into 9 into 9. 4 9s are 36. 36. 5 9s are 45. So these are your two numbers. ठीक है? Third step, compare them first. -35/45 compared with 36/45. It's very simple. नेगेटिव नंबर है और पॉजिटिव नंबर है. डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम है, सो denominator you do not see. -35 and 36, obviously 36 is the positive number, so this will be greater. So what is your answer? That is -35/45 is nothing but -7/9. So ये तो आंसर obvious है, but you have to perform these steps. Okay, or you can directly say that -7/9 is a negative number and 4/5 is a positive number. Therefore -7/9 is less than 4/5. Directly भी कर सकते हो, but it's better to go on with all the steps. If you are solving it for me, I would like you to do all the steps. So this is your answer. Okay, let's go on to the next sum. The third sum. Now these are all your textbook sums, so I'm going to take that only. Now let's compare two negative numbers. So I'll take another page. So we have the next number is, third example for you all is -7/3 and -5/2. First step again now. Okay, we have to solve this. How will we solve it? First step, as I said, denominators इधर आप देख रहे हो पहले डिफरेंट है, तो कैसे करेंगे? -7/3 is equals to -7/3 into 2 into 2. Numerator and denominator multiply by the iska. Okay, 7 2s are -14, 3 2s are 6. So see, this is 6. Second step, minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 into and 2 into. Again, ये वाला जो है क्रॉस ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई होगा न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर. 3 and 3. 5 3s are minus 15 upon 2 3s are 6. You can see that the denominators have become equal. This I'm just showing kids again. Now third step, compare these two. What you have found? Minus 14 upon 6 and minus 15 upon 6. Again, which is greater, minus 14 or 15? Imagine you to be minus 14. minus 15 कैसे आएगा? नीचे. अगर हम लोग वर्टिकल लाइन बनाते हैं तो आपका एलिवेटर नीचे मूव होगा. तो minus 14 is greater than minus 15. That is, and is 14 upon 6 is nothing but minus 7 upon 3, and minus 15 upon 6 is nothing but minus 5 upon 2. So इधर जो साइन है वो इधर ही आ जाएगा, and this is nothing but your answer. बॉक्स किया करो, so आपके टीचर को पता चल जाता है that you solved the sum well. Okay, last sum for this particular video. Okay, let's compare two positive rational numbers, 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. First step, again as I told you, this is 5, this is 10. क्या करोगे अभी? ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, राइट? नहीं, वैसे नहीं करना है. 5 को न्यूमरेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिनोमिनेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और 10 को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो लेट्स सी. 3 upon 5, that is nothing but 3 upon 5 into this 10 will be multiplied over here into 10. It's not a random number. ये डिनोमिनेटर, इसका डिनोमिनेटर इधर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होता है, इसका डिनोमिनेटर ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होता है. 3 10s are 30, 5 10s are 50. Second, 6 upon 10, that is 6 into 5 and 10 into 5. 6 5s are again 30, 5 10s are 50. So it is not a problem, दोनों सेम भी हो सकते हैं. So here third step is 30 upon 50 and we are comparing 30 upon 50. Do not get confused. 3 upon 5 is 30 upon 50, 6 upon 10 is nothing but 30 upon 50. We have changed them. Now here we compare. So both are equal. That is, what do we conclude? We conclude that 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. So, what is your task for after this practice set? After this part 1.2 is solve practice set 1.2. Okay, if you have any doubts, please do message us on our email ID, or you can message us on our Instagram handle. I hope you like this lecture. I'll take practice set 1.2 in detail and a few more examples so that this topic is done thoroughly. Meet you all in part 1.3. Bye.
I hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So, ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So, help us by clicking on this button. Get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, everyone's cup of tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.